AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a compact pouch dispenser with an unwind assembly. The unit is mounted on an adjustable equipment stand with an unwind support. The roll of material is placed on a motorized unwind. From the unwind, the material is guided into traction belts. Traction belts securely hold the material. An optics system built into the knife cartridge detects a seal between the pouches and signals the unit to cycle. Once the material is indexed to the proper location, the knife cartridge cuts the material. Cut material falls down the exit chute. The unit has a touchscreen control panel for easy setup and operation. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.